वो दुनिया के नकनवर पशान जलीगे बाबा जी दलड़ू पकूरू के उसेगे बाबा जी।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hagiography of Honorable Saint of General and Special People, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdus Salam Sahib, familiar by the name Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh. Written by Hazrat Allama Hafiz Qari Bashir Ahmad Madani Damat Barakatuhum, Sajada Nashin Astana Alia, Pir Sabaq Sharif Nowshera, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan.
दुनिया के नकनवर पशान जलीगे बाबा जी दलड़ू पकूरू की उसेगे बाबा जी दलड़ू पकूरू की उसेगे बाबा जी। दुनिया के नकनवर पशान जलीगे बाबा जी दलड़ू पकूरू की उसेगे बाबा जी दलड़ू पकूरू की दुनिया के नकनवर पशान जलीगे बाबा जी।
Location of Babaji's village, Pir Sabaq Sharif. If we start journey from Peshawar via GT Road and enter to Nowshera, then at the end of Armour Nowshera Kent, on the left side of River Kabul at the northwest direction, there is a small village called Pir Sabaq Sharif. Pir Sabaq means the saint who had taken precedence above all. The religious and spiritual people has blessed this village of milkmen and sailors in such a way that once it is seen by someone, its beautiful scene remains in his mind for a longer period of time. The pleasant environment of this village, surrounded by the expanses of River Kabul from two sides, the playing boats in the river, the bridge over the river made from planks of wood, fastened with the help of iron ropes, the dome and towers of the mosque of the shrine, which are noticeable from distant place, provide a very pleasant and enjoyable scene.
दुनिया के नकनवर पशान जलीगे बाबा जी दलड़ू पकूरू के उसेगे बाबा जी। वो दुनिया के नकनवर
The respected family of Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh.
दुनिया के नकनवर पशान जलीगे बाबा जी दलड़ू पकूरू के उसेगे बाबा जी।
Teacher of the teachers, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdus Salam Sahib Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh was the beloved son of the area's famous Allama of Hadith, Hazrat Maulana Nurul Haq Sahib Nawwarallahu Ta'ala Marqadahu. Generations after generation, this respectable family is connected to imparting religious knowledge, reformation and preaching. Genealogy or descent. Passing through a number of series, the descent of Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdus Salam Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh is traced back to the second caliph, Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdus Salam Sahib Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh was born in 1924 AD and passed away in 2004 AD. Rabiul Thani 1425 Hijri according to Islamic calendar. Training and acquisition of knowledge. Hazrat Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh got the education of poems and prose, themesis or toipi, fiqh and rules and regulations etc. from his respected father, teacher of the teachers, Allama of Hadith, Hazrat Nurul Haq Sahib Nawwarallahu Ta'ala Marqadahu. During his studentship, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdus Salam Sahib Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh worked hard in Shahbazgari, Baricham Mardan, Jalaliya Church and other areas to extinguish the thirst of knowledge. He got special benefit of knowledge from Hazrat Khalilullah Sahib Zindupanda, who was the Caliph of Hazrat Shah Muhammad Sher Sahib, Pilibhit Sharif, India. For Hadith classes, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdus Salam Sahib Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh went to Ghurghashti. There he acquired the knowledge and benefits of tariqat from Allama of Hadith, Hazrat Nasiruddin Ghurghashti Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh.
ज्वंदुल पकीरी दूधित ज्यादे के बाबा जी, ददुलुलु पकूरुलु की उसी के बाबा जी, ददुलुलु पकूरुलु की दुनिया के
Acquiring intrinsic knowledge or esotericism. Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdus Salam Sahib Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh was an embodiment of greatly remembering Almighty Allah, piety, following Sunnah, entertaining others and patience and gratitude since his childhood and the age of studentship. After completion of religious knowledge, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdus Salam Sahib Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh undertook several long journeys within the country and abroad to extinguish the thirst of intrinsic and spiritual knowledge. Wherever he would hear about a saint, Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh would go there to him for getting religious and spiritual benefit. While traveling, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdus Salam Sahib Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh reached Kunnar, Afghanistan, where he met Mullah Sahib Inzari, Hazrat Khwaja Karimdat Sahib Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh, and felt comfortable there. From Hazrat Sahib Inzari Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh, Hazrat Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh was awarded Caliphate in Silsile Aliya Qadariya, Silsile Aliya Naqshbandiya and Silsile Aliya Sahwaldiya. Hazrat Maulana Karimdat Sahib Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh often prayed for Hazrat Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh on several occasions in these words: May Allah make you the king of all the saints. Those who have met Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh say that the acceptance of this prayer was very much clear from the whole life of Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh, and every intellectual person can observe it. After passing away of Mullah Inzari Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh, Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh used to visit Hazrat Khwaja Hafiz Abdul Ghafoor Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh Darya Rahmat Sharif in Atak and kept getting religious and spiritual benefits. Babaji Darya Rahmat Sharif Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh blessed him in such a way that he awarded him all the 4 salasil of tariqat and said, whatever I got from my teachers in the form of wazaif, I allow you to pass them all on. Besides putting people on the zeniths of spirituality, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdus Salam Sahib Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh was gifted by Almighty Allah with a vast experience and knowledge for curing the physical ills of the human beings. Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh was a degree holder from Tibbiya College, Lahore. Many incurable patients were cured by Allah Almighty through Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh. Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh was a great chest of spiritual and physical ills. People were benefited from Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh in all the 4 salasil of Sufism. Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh performed every work for Almighty Allah and according to the Sunnah of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Abdul Salam Sahib Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi always used to oppose those people who say that nomism and mystagogy are two different things. Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi used to say that this is the slogan of those people who escape the laws of Islam and follow their selves. Establishment of Islamic Education Center, Darul Uloom Faizul Quran Pir Sabaq Sharif.
آیت میں دا قرآن کی تیر شلو دا خیالا ولی دا مولا رزق ورکوی ہم لا مثالا.
The ancestors of Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi had always been engaged in teaching religious knowledge. He himself used to deliver speeches in mosque for a longer period of time. Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi established a religious institution, Darul Uloom Faizul Quran Pir Sabaq Sharif, for the promotion and propagation of knowledge regarding the prophethood. Several branches of this institution are established within and outside the country, where Babaji's students, caliphs, followers, and the concerned people are performing their duties. May Allah bless all the religious institutions with progress, safety, and consistency in their aims. Ameen. Publishing of books. From the shrine of Pir Sabaq Sharif, the following books are published by the grace of Almighty Allah. Number 1, Sayr Suluk, Arabic and Pashto. Number 2, Fuyuzat-e Naqshbandiya, Persian. Number 3, Maqamat-e Qutbiya and Maqamat-e Qudsiya. Number 4, Khairul Majalis. Number 5, Jawahir Salamiya. Number 6, Anwar-e Hidayat. Number 7, Mamulat Pir Sabaq Babaji Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Number 8, Tazkira Pir Sabaq Sahib Manzoom.
दुनिया के लखन वर पशान जली के बाबा जी ददुलू पकूलू की उसी के बाबा ददुलू पकूलू की उसी.
The journey of hereafter.
या पदा से द्वंद्वंदी चिदा द्वंदिला जावाला पदा से द्वंद्वंदी चिदा द्वंदिला जावाला. आयत में द कुरान की तिर शुलू द खियाला वली द मौला रिज़्क़ वर्कवी हम ला मिसाला वली द मौला रिज़्क़ वर्कवी हम ला मिसाला. बेशक आरिफान खबर वी अर वली द हाला बेशक औलिया खबर वी अर वली द हाला. ये द हर मुरीद न हर वक्त जारी के बाबा जी ये ददुलू पकूलू की उसी के बाबा जी ददुलू पकूलू की उसी दुनिया के लखन वर पशान.
This great treasure of knowledge and wisdom, the linker between the Creator and the creatures, the true lover of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, left this land of living and went to the heavens.
इसरार की कमाल निष्ठा हो कमाली द दुआली द शेर पर मैदान की चार शेर ये बेश बहाली कमाल दिचा कमाल दिचे कमाल वर्द अताली पर जिक्र इलाही द महबूब व सबकी गुयाद यदद पर मन कबद बतलिया दे के बाबा जी